the sun. Red gal with tattoo on the leg, them the sun. Darkies with bundles in the head, them the sun.
You liar, blasted totin.
No, Miss Lady, I am not totin. I just still can't believe you're horn.
What you mean you can't believe a horn? Is you yourself walking and see me horning you with somebody else?
Yeah, I know I walking on your thing, but I thought my eyes was playing tricks on
Boy,
me.
you is something else, you know. You stupid, bad, bad,
Miss
bad,
Lady,
bad, bad.
wherever with you, right? I already call you to tell you I write a poem for you, so
You write a poem for me? Boy, you just toast real
I'm
bad.
not totin' girl, I just write a poem for you, so just listen to it, you understand? Roses are red, violets are blue, even though you horn me, I still love you. This girl really hung up this phone on me, boy. Real failure thing what she boy. Real failure thing, boy. Watch now, the call she back, but I still love she boy.
All red man is the same.
All of them is the same, exactly, and I am not going back in a relationship, and if that phone ring, I am not going to
Preach
answer
it, girl, preach it.
Mark my words, I am
Nice,
not going.
preach it.
Is he calling?
Don't answer that phone, girl.
No, I'm not going to answer it. No, I am not going to do such a thing. Hello?
Wow,
watch now,
you
babe, I
weak
calling
girl.
you to tell you sorry for honing you and thing. I will carry you out tonight to make it up to you. I really hope you forgive me.
It's okay, I forgive you.
You're sure you forgive me, girl?
Yes, so what time you coming to pick me up?
I'll pick you up around 8 tonight, babes.
Alright, no problem, bye-bye.
Later, babes. Love you.
Love you too.
Wow, you're soft, girl.
Don't judge me.
Nah, you're soft, you're soft.
Don't judge me. What's now pictures? I really can't believe you want me in a girl. I can't believe that. I give you my everything, girl. I give you my head to toe and my toe to head, girl.
Wait, Jonathan, you crying there?
Yes, I crying, girl. Big man is crying too. There's real failure thing. You want me in a girl.
A horn is not a horn unless you take it
You
on.
what stupidness you telling me about a horn is not a horn unless you take it home. Watch now. I go and eat a drain fish. I go and bite a frog. And I go and sniff glue, girl.
Well, go ahead, I don't care.
You see, what you ain't care about me, girl. You ain't care about... Peaches. Wait, why this girl hang up the phone on me, boy? Unless she horn me, you know. Unless she horn me, you know, boy. She horn me.
Babes, what you doing with my phone, girl?
What are you doing with your phone? I went through it. I saw some nice text messages. Tranquisha. I saw you and Tranquisha.
Wait. What you talking about, babe?
No. Don't play the dumb role for me at all. I fold up your clothes and take nice and neat here, so let me hand you your clothes so you can get
Oh, you getting on so, girl, real... Hey, ow, girl! Wait to me for, girl! Ow, girl, what do you real crazy, girl!
If you leave...
Ow, girl!
You had to come back here for your damn clothes. Where Google Map is? I had to find this damn Tranquisha girl.
Them gal who does talk red loud, them the sun. The gal and them who like to follow crowd, them the sun. Them gal who does wear fluffy slippers, does on. Gal who feel hotter than pepper, does on.